Well, here we are at Desport Seafood, the oldest seafood market on the entire Mississippi Gulf Coast. They've got shrimp, crab meat, red snapper. We're going to use those this season. Let's go inside and check it out. Well, here we are at the shrimp counter, and let me tell you, these are some beautiful wild-caught American shrimp. What does that mean? It means they're fresh, they're from our Gulf waters, and they're American. Now, you can saute these, grill these, bake them. General Joe and I are gonna make some incredible shrimp fajitas with these very shrimp. Here at Desport's Fish Counter, probably my favorite place. We've got some beautiful red snapper. We've got some trout. In back, catfish. And I tell you what, everybody thinks about catfish as fried catfish. We have blackened it on Fit to Eat. We've baked it. We've done it a variety of different ways so that it stays nice and healthy. But I see one of my favorite seafoods in back. Let's go take a walk over there. Well, here we are. Take a look at these beautiful blue crabs cooked right here at Desport. When they're all done and cleaned, what do you end up with? Beautiful lump crab meat. We're gonna use that later in the season. It is absolutely delicious. Nothing like good, fresh seafood on the Gulf Coast. Well, I'm here with Sean Desport. I want to get a little background and history of this fabulous seafood house.
Well, Desport Seafood, we've been in business over 125 years. It's the only thing we really know how to do in the Desport family. We get local fishermen that come in and sell us fish every day, and we have local shrimpers that come in and sell us shrimp every day. And of course, we serve in the restaurants all along the coast with the freshest seafood around.
You know, I understand you've got something special coming out for me.
I have a great platter coming out for you today.
I can't wait. Come on, let's go check it out. What a way to draw the day to a close. Oh, thank you. This is some beautiful seafood right here at Desport. But don't forget to visit your local fish house wherever you are in the state of Mississippi.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.